Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here, and I'm here with another video on Tapswap. So basically there is a lot going on about this project. It was supposed to list on Valentine's Day, being today, but this is kind of funny, so I'm going to react laughter like everyone else to this because I did not qualify for the airdrop. So they said they are sharing more updates on the upcoming TG, of course, which was originally scheduled to be on the 14th of February, being Valentine's Day, which you could have used these steps now to surprise your babe or something, you get. So unfortunately they forced your hand, and unfortunately you couldn't, take your babe out. So anyway, that's by the way. So let's just get into the main business. Tapswap has messed up our Valentine. So the deposit period has now been extended, of course, till until yesterday. So basically deposit has ended, and all of a sudden they came up and postponed the TG. They did not even drop the update in the group. The TG was postponed, and you know what Tapswap did? They also changed the blockchain that they are listing from BNB to back to Ton. So why did they make this move? So let me just go to their X account to show you an update there. So the move was basically fueled by the fact that Ton would actually be blocking projects that will not be listed on Ton. So Telegram will be blocking a lot of projects. Alright, so here is a Tapswap page, and basically they did not drop any updates regarding the okay, yes, so this is the update regarding the change of the blockchain. So they said many apps will operate exclusively on Tom blockchain. So the reason why they are doing this is just to comply with what Telegram said, and these people actually want to do a season 2. I don't understand, because basically you guys have literally done everything. It's almost a year, man. Like, what season 2 do you guys want to do again, and who wants to participate in that shit? Oh, okay, sorry, who wants to participate in that? Like, it's really crazy. Like, I don't understand. So I don't I don't really understand. So some persons are actually saying, permit me to say, you are foolish and stupid. Yeah, it's crazy because I don't really understand what these people are actually doing. They don't, like I said before, projects that don't have plan to list, like they don't really have a game. So basically they don't really have a game plan. They just come, they just do, then change different blockchain, try out different like, what's that? You have to have a roadmap, know the blockchain that you want to list, and be consistent with it. Not changing and then paying influencers to promote your rubbish project, because of course Tapswap is rubbish. Tapswap is a rubbish project. So that's the reason why I had to stop. And my price prediction for the project, of course, they said they have a total supply of I think it's 1 billion. Okay, let's assume they have a total supply of 1 billion. Let me just check so that it won't seem like it's just coming off head. So the total supply for Tapswap is I think it should be 1 billion. Anyway, guys, seriously, I dislike this project to the extent that I don't really care about reading anything about it, honestly. So uh Tapswap, what is their total supply? All right, so they said the total supply is 1 billion taps. So I was actually correct. So 1 billion taps is the total supply. So for me personally, I don't believe in Tapswap at all. So I'm going to say the FDV, so the fully diluted valuation. That's the amount that the total supply will be costing, will be around $45 million, divided by the total supply, which is 1 billion. So this might probably be the listing price. As sad as it might get, this might probably be the listing price. Or let's just give them the benefit of the doubt and say this is the listing price. So if you have up to like 72 taps, basically what you'll be making is about $6. And if you have 100 taps, what you'll be making is $8.5. So of course, I don't know, this is just a prediction. It might be up to 0.1, but I doubt that Tapswap will list at anything more than 0.2. I doubt. I'm not saying it can't, but I doubt this project is not serious, because they are awful projects. Of course, it's very awful coming back to see that people have actually spent their time trying to mine this project for over a year, and then you come to give them dust, which of course is what most persons will get. Of course, even if they list at the price of 0.5, most persons will still get dust. So that's just the thing. So don't attack me, I'm just telling you the truth. So they said BNB's chain, and all of a sudden they switched to Thorn. Most projects that do this, I'm just saying this to be honest, most projects that do this, what's they called? Tom Market, which other project? Again, Tom Market, Memfi. I can list a lot of projects that actually went through this process. I've always been saying is scam, is a sign of scamming. They don't really have a plan, and they are not associating with anybody. And their CEO, the co-founder or founder of the project, is not even known. It's mysterious. There is no group backing it. So these signs are signs of this project not doing well. Basically, you just see it right from the start. They don't have any backings, no exchanges backing them, nothing. Until they announce listing, that's when you just know about them. It's only influencers and Twitter idolos that actually promote them. So basically, I'm not going to say much. The listing is around the corner, so definitely I know that Tapswap wouldn't do well. So that's just the truth. Lower your expectations. That's the best thing that I would advise you to do. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. You can also join our WhatsApp community. All the links will be in the description of this video. See you on the next one. Thanks.